In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files in Google Drive. If your Google Drive is starting to feel a little cluttered, moving files into the right folder is a simple way to stay organized and make everything easier to find later. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to move a file from one location to another using the built-in options in Google Drive. Start by going to your Google Drive homepage. This is the main screen where you can see your files, folders, and navigation menu. Once you're there, look to the left-hand column and click on My Drive. This opens the main area where your personal files and folders are stored. Next, find the file you want to move. When you've located it, click on the three dots next to that file. This opens a menu with more actions you can take. If you don't see the option right away, take a moment to look through the menu carefully because this is where the move settings are located. From that menu, hover over Organize. When you place your cursor over it, another menu will appear with more choices. In that submenu, click on Move. This tells Google Drive that you want to change the file's current location. A Move window will then open. In that window, click on All Locations. This is helpful because it lets you browse through the different folders and places available in your drive instead of staying limited to the current view. If you have several folders, this makes it much easier to navigate to the exact destination you want. Now click on the location where you want to move the file. This could be a folder inside My Drive or another available location shown in the list. Make sure you select the correct destination before continuing, especially if you use folders with similar names. Taking an extra second here can save you from having to move the file again later. Once you've selected the destination, click Move to confirm. Google Drive will then relocate the file to that folder, and that's it. Your file has now been moved successfully in Google Drive. This is a useful habit for keeping your workspace tidy, especially if you regularly upload documents, images, or project files. The more organized your drive is, the faster you'll be able to find what you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.